All right, guys, so we're gonna play around with the app. You can turn them all off once you connect to it, but why would you want to do that? You have these colors that you can pre-select. So let's go to palette on, and you can have it go to all of the basic colors. Of course, you have your color wheel as well. You have your music mode, so if you turn on music, of course it's off right now, but if you have your music blasting and the controller is right next to the bottom speaker, you'll be able to hear it super clearly. Now let's turn off the music mode. We can go to flash, so you can have it flash a specific color if you're into that. But let's try race. This one's pretty cool. It races a bunch of different colors around. We have Meteor, which is like a slow race. You have the outward flow, which makes it flow outwards. And guys, what's awesome about the TLOL flights is they're basically synced. So the animation in the front goes with the animation on the side. These are super legit. You have breathing as well, and that's just the lights breathing at you. You have gradual change, which is gonna just gradually change the colors. You can also change the percentage of the light brightness on the side, which is awesome in case you don't want it too bright. Like this rainbow one, guys, this is super bright, but it's so good looking. Look at it. I think this one's my favorite. Remember, the rainbow can light up all over here. You can have lights in the backs of your seat as well as the back of the doors. Check out running, and it switches super nice like that. You have the inward flow, which is where it's going outwards to the inside. You have rain, which is like a flashing, chasing. It's pretty cool. Dynamic is pretty sweet. It's like a little club in here. You have superposition. I like this one as well. You got the opening, so it's like kind of a curtain effect. You have closing, and what's really cool about like the TLOL ones, as I said earlier, is that they're in sync. So if you look at this side and you look at that side, you can see on that door, and it's gonna be the same on the passenger door, they're all coming towards the center. So they all work together. It's so in sync. It's such an awesome system. You have the merge, which is going to be these like bigger ones. You have division, which is it just going out that way. You have lineup. What does lineup do? Ooh. Oh, it's like Tetris. That's pretty cool. And of course, you can always change the color. So let's say you don't like red. You can change it to blue. Oh, you can change it as it's adding it in, guys. That's super sick. That is awesome. You can literally change the color as it's coming in. You have firework, and you can change the color as it's going. And those are all the presets. So as you guys can see, this app is super customizable. You can do so many different things. It's all in sync. Check out the lights in the description below. I have a discount code. They're of course from TLOL. They're super awesome. And if you want to install it, I'll help you out too. There's a video on that. So go check it out and go check them out.